The prophecy of the banana rat. And it shall come to pass that when non-fungible tokens are made, norms shall be shattered, and darkness shall lay across the blockchain, and the middleman shall no longer lay his hand upon the world of commerce. Banks shall weep, and governments quail, as the nations of the earth are assimilated like Borg, yet one shall be born to face the darkness. Origin unknown. Why join the FaZe clan? Because the quakening is upon us. The banana rat comes from New Scotland, where the banana rat clan bloodlines run deep. A merging of the clans would be beneficial for all, rat and FaZe alike. The banana rat would like to leverage the prize purse dollars to grow the banana rat clan and to fulfill the prophecy of the banana rat. The banana rat has spoken.